Hey, I'm in North Dakota. I just saw a grasshopper fly into this baby sagebush, and we're going to see if we can find him. No. Hey, here he is. Check him out. He's totally green. He's got red antennae and red legs. Now this guy is a Yarrow's grasshopper. Scientific name is Melanoplus yarrowii. He's also known as Yarrow's spur-throat grasshopper. Now some people think he's poisonous, but he's not. But they do have really strong jaws and they will bite you if you give them a chance. So this guy is mostly found in California, Arizona, parts of northern Mexico, usually from around June through October. He's quite common, but way less common than his cousin, the red-legged grasshopper, known as Melanoplus yarrowii. Now they look a lot alike, but I think the red-legged is a bit more brown. All right, so hey, let's check out over here. I think I saw a guy right down in here. Wow, check this guy out. This is a baby Yarrow grasshopper. He looks like Gollum from Lord of the Rings. This guy is really tiny. I have no idea about him. So let's kind of just watch what he does. All right, well that was pretty fun. And I hope you enjoyed our Yarrow's grasshopper, Melanoplus yarrowii, and his little baby. All right, so please have a great day.